welcome back to my channel. It's a girl disappearing on your screens again. Guys, if you're new on my channel, if this is your first time of clicking on my video, you're welcome. Yes, I hope you're good because I am super good today. And if this is not your first time, thank you for sticking with your girl. Yes, guys, on today's video I'm going to be using the technique Scott Barnes, I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'm going to be recreating this look Scott Barnes JLo's makeup artist did on Tati Westbrook. Yes. And if you're interested in watching how this stuff comes out, please stick with me. Just sit down, grab your popcorn and chill. Let's get into this video.
Your skin is really beautiful and you maintain your skin really well. So this is a fantastic palette to work with. I always start with contouring. I always start with the dark and then I add the light. It's not about contouring on top of makeup.
Okay guys, there was no such thing as primer for him, and I'm not going to be using primer either.
I'm not going to pretend like...
Just drench me. My skin eats makeup. Like it really does.
I did your makeup once before and it was like that.
You don't use primer?
For what? I don't really
For what?
Wow, he's safe for what? I'm going to be using this brush. It's not flat, but then it's slanty. I love that.
So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out and just working into the skin. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember who used to do the painting?
Bob Ross.
Guys, I think I'm looking scary right now. I think I'm looking scary. I don't even have so much forehead space for all this. Just right after this, he went ahead with contouring, and the brush he's using is scaring me out. But then I don't have anything that looks like that, but I think I can work with this.
Yes. Snatched the house.
So
Snatched.
this is what I call, I'm going to do this look. I actually
Okay, wait.
which is an issue. Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death.
Okay guys, he started applying foundation just right on top of the contour, and I'm going to do that right now. I swear to God, this shade is coming out nicely and I cannot believe it. Guys, can you see? My contour is still there, like it's so. Gosh, guys. He's using a cream blush, and I'm going to be using a lipstick for that. I'm going to be using a cream lipstick for this, really, because I don't have any cream blush.
Love cream. I think that cream works primarily better than powder for a couple reasons. It looks like it's coming from inside the skin.
I'm going to be using this translucent powder from Airspun, or whatever it's called. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm sure you get what I mean.
Meet people.
So funny, I did a shoot with this woman one time, and she never had her makeup done before. Never did a photo shoot in her life. Nothing like that, right? She was like, oh my god, I went everywhere with my makeup on. I went shopping.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at that glow. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god, guys. Okay, he went over to do lips, so let's do that. Let us do that. And I am using this Zaron lip pencil to line my lips.
So remember our little contour? It's underneath there. It's in the fullness. Okay, we're gonna connect the top.
Okay guys, the next thing he went ahead to do is the brows. And the brows, and he's using a powdered filler for the brows. Not okay guys, I'm done with the brows. I forgot to trim my brows before doing this makeup, but then it doesn't look bad at all, and I had to like zoom in because I feel like you guys are not really seeing the main thing. Guys, he's now like doing eyeshadow, and he didn't even prime the eyes, and he
Sense. I love that.
Now, I'm using my crease brush on this.
I love that crease brush. It is pure magic, and it has the right shape to do so much.
It works.
And that's, I was talking about this before, that really you can use that one brush if you're just doing a very
Okay guys, I went ahead and fixed my lashes, and guys, this is the end of this look. Yes, so guys, just hold on, let me fix this whole thing and then come back to you, and then we'll discuss about what I think about this whole thing. Guys, I am back, and I just had to like switch locations. I'm just right by natural lights. Do you get me? Natural lights. Guys, look at this makeup. Oh my god. Look at that contour. Look how my face is contoured. To be honest with you guys, I love this routine. Guys, I have fallen in love with this makeup routine. It's a big yes. This is 150% for me. I don't know about any other person, but this is 150%. Okay, you get me? The only thing is the fact that you have to use so much products. Like, before you know it, your concealer will finish. Before you know it, your concealer will finish. Do you understand that kind of thing? Okay guys, we've come to the end of this makeup of this video. Please tell me what you think about this whole video, please. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Give me your honest opinion, about this whole video. And I'm gonna see you on my next one. So bye.